Adding return ducts is done exactly the same as adding supply ducts. We start with our VAV, then work back to our diffusers. To get through this video, we're going to accomplish multiple tasks. First, we're going to add our return diffusers, then our main ducts, then we're going to branch out to our diffusers. Under the mechanical heading, let's go to HVAC, Ceiling Plans, One Ceiling Mech. Let's zoom in on this area here. Let's select our diffuser. Let's click the copy button. Let's copy it down to this bay right here. Let's hit escape a couple times. Select your new diffuser. Verify that it's still at 8 feet. Let's click the properties drop down. Let's put it on return diffuser, 24 by 24 face, 12 by 12 connection. With the diffuser still selected, let's uncheck our up arrow, right arrow, left arrow, down arrow, and hit apply. Now let's hit escape. We'll see it knows it's a return diffuser, but it doesn't know what system it's on yet. I'm going to pan down so I can see my entire system. What we're going to do next is we're going to draw a return duct line. It's going to go from here, up to 14 feet, down, and over the top of this diffuser. But there's one challenge that we need to deal with before we can do that. That has to do with our view range. What I'm going to do is in the properties, I'm going to scroll down to view range and click on the edit button. For my primary range on my top, I want to go to associated level, level 1. And I'm going to offset that 15 feet. For my view depth, I'm going to do the same thing and offset this 15 feet. I'm going to hit apply. Now I'm going to hit OK. This will give us enough view clearance so that when we draw our duct up way higher than this duct, we'll still be able to see it. Select your VAV and click on the return symbol. I'm going to draw a duct right up to about here. Then I'm going to start coming back in this direction. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to offset this 14 feet. I'm going to hold my wheel down and scroll around in the drawing area just a little bit. Notice that we're drawing this thing at 14 feet. It's above all of our other ducts. I'm going to pick a point right about here. Now I'm going to draw this over past my diffuser just a little bit, and I'm going to pick a point right here. Now I'm going to hit escape. The trick now is, how do I get this diffuser to tie in with this duct? What we're going to do is we're going to select our diffuser. We're going to click on the Connect Into button on our layout panel. And we're going to select a piece of duct that we want to connect into. This is going to cause a drop from our piece of duct to our diffuser. Once you've done that, hit escape a couple times. To verify that this is all working out, I'm going to go to a 3D view. I'm going to zoom in on my pieces of duct. I'm going to hold down my Shift key and my wheel button. I'm going to pan around just to make sure that I have all my clearances. It looks pretty good. I'm going to go back to my One Ceiling Mech ceiling plan. I'm going to click on my Close Hidden Windows. Now, with two systems in place, you can start to see how duct is going to quickly start filling your model. Cut as many sections as possible so you know where you are. Don't get lost in the ducts.